Every night in this sportscast we come on, we tell you about highly successful athletes, but becoming one and staying one is just as much mental as it is physical. Oftentimes, that's a lesson athletes learn much later in their careers. But at Norwich Free Academy, they have a program that aims to teach that lesson before it's too late.
You've met high school students. They are hard to keep their attention. You could hear a pin drop in that auditorium.
Athletes dream of that kind of show-stopping performance.
It's like your whole life. When you're a gymnast, it's all you got.
Only for the first time for lifelong gymnast Trinity Ambruso, captivating an audience had nothing to do with her physical ability.
All the time I felt like I wasn't worth anything because gymnastics wasn't going well.
Last year, Trinity was one of 5 student-athlete speakers at Norwich Free Academy's Mental Health Matters Athletic Conference.
It's like your peers. I'm saying this and being vulnerable, and I might see you tomorrow.
But that's kind of the whole idea. Counselor Annie Zinn spearheaded the first conference in 2022 for the entire Wildcat student-athlete population. That's about 750 students.
You have to have the students that want to do this and want to share their story. It's not something you can force on them.
After that first conference, Zinn found out they do. The freshmen and sophomores in the audience in 22 became the driving force as juniors and seniors 2 years later.
I felt weak in the moment of writing it down. When I did receive those texts that I made an impact, or people would say, you made me feel less alone. One, it made me feel less alone.
And 2, talking about her mental health out in the open didn't make her feel weak at all.
Stronger, definitely.
And that carried over to a New England championship this past weekend for Trinity. Congratulations to her. And the idea is catching on. Zinn says she heard from schools around the state and presented the idea at a national conference last year. That's sports. We'll be right back.